Okay, in third one, the name of taluka is Karjat and the number is given 31,608. Again, we have to write in words 31,608. The fourth one we have Sangamne. The number is 10,972. Write down this in words 10,972. Okay, now just see question number 4. In this we have question, how many rupees do they make? In that first one we have 20 notes of 1000 rupees, 5 notes of 100 rupees and 14 notes of 10 rupees. We have to calculate the total money they have made. So 20 notes of 1000 rupees means we have to multiply 20 by 1000. 5 notes of 100 rupees means we have to multiply 5 by 100. The 14 notes of 10 rupees, that means 14 multiply by 10. First we will multiply 20 by 1000. So 20 multiply by 1000, it will be 20,000. And then second statement we have 5 notes of 100 rupees. So 5 will be multiplied by 100, then we will get 500. In the third statement we have 14 notes of 10 rupees. That means 14 multiplied by 10. We will get 140. Simply you have to put zeros. Here 20 is there. 20, if I multiply 20 by 1000, simply you have to put 3 zeros. Here 100 is there, you have to put 2 zeros. If it is 10, put 1 zero. So this will become 140. After this, to find out the total money by adding all this will become 0 and this will be 4. 5 plus 1 will be 6. 0, 20. That means they made 20,640 rupees. So write down, therefore they made 20,640 rupees. Same way solve second one. Here we have 15 notes of 1000 rupees, 12 notes of 100 rupees, 8 notes of 10 rupees and 5 coins of 1 rupee. First of all, if I'll find out 15 notes of 1000 rupees is given, 15 will multiply by 1000 and 12 will multiply by 100, 8 will multiply by 10 and 5 will be multiplied by 1. First of all, 15 multiply by 1000. This will become 15,000. Just put the 3 zeros over here. The second one we have 12 notes of 100 rupees. So 12 will multiply by 100. We will get 1,200. Simply you have to put 2 zeros this 12. This will become 1,200. And after that we have 8 notes of 10 rupees. Here 8 will be multiplied by 10. This will become 80. And then we have 5 coins of 1 rupee. That is 5 multiplied by 1. It will be 5. 5 ones are 5. Now just do the addition. To find out the total amount, we will do addition over here. This will become 5. This will be 8. 2. 5 plus 1 will be 6. And this one we will write as it is. This will become 16,285. So therefore they made 16,285 rupees. Okay, now just see the question number 5. Okay, here we have write the biggest and the smallest 5-digit numbers that can be made using the digits 4, 5, 0, 3, 7 only once. We have to use those digits only once, and we have to write the 5-digit smallest and biggest number by using those digits. Okay, first of all we will write the biggest one. Biggest, for write the biggest 5-digit number, we have to write the bigger number first. Here 7 will be bigger than all these numbers. First we will write 7, and then 5, 4, then 3, 0. So this will be 75,430. Then we will write the smallest. Okay, here the smallest digit is 0, but we cannot take 0 in the first place, because if I take 0 in the first place, then that will become 4-digit number. We have to write 5-digit number, correct now? So here instead of 0 we will take 3 first, then we will take 0, and after 3 the bigger one will be 4, 5, 7. So this will be 30,457. Okay, now just see the question number 6. Here the names of some places and their populations are given below. Use this information to answer these questions that follow. Okay, so name of the some places are given and number of population is given, and below that the questions are given. We have to write the answers of this question. That first question we have, which place has the greatest population? What is its population? Okay, now among these numbers, which one is the greatest number over here? This Vashi. Vashi has the greatest population. Just see 92,173. This is a bigger number among all these numbers. So which place has the greatest population? Vashi. Vashi has the greatest population, and its population is 92,173. In this way you have to write the answer. The second question we have, which place, Morwada or Moregaon, has a greater population? Just see where Moregaon is here and Morwada is here. Just compare these numbers. Here 87,012 and 85,890. Now which one is bigger among this? 87,012. So that means Moregaon has a greater population than Morwada. So you have to write the answer in this way. The third question we have, which place has the smallest population? How much is it? Okay, among this number, which one is the smallest one? You have to identify the smallest one over here. So the smallest one is 35,777. That is Gaganbawda. So just write down that answer. Gaganbawda has the smallest population, and its population is 35,777.